Meaning of finery.
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 Finery. Finery refers to an elaborate and showy style of dress or decoration, especially for special occasions. When someone is dressed in finery, they are adorned with luxurious fabrics, glittering jewelry, and other decorative accessories that convey elegance and sophistication. The result of wearing finery can be a feeling of glamour, confidence, and prestige. The appearance of finery can also make a powerful impression on others, conveying wealth, status, and taste, depending on the context in which it is worn.